Hello angels, welcome to another resin video. Today we're going to be making some resin vinyl clutch bag. So these vinyls I got from Etsy's. I will leave the link down in the description box. Flowers from Amazon and also the clear clutch bag I got from Amazon as well. So yeah, that's all you're basically going to need. It's not resin vinyl, it's called resin foil sheets. That's the correct name for it. So first thing first, all I'm going to do is cut out the pieces of the picture that I want that I'm thinking about adding in there. Some of these pictures are way too big, so unfortunately I was unable to add it in there. That basically couldn't fit. But I'm definitely going to use it for something else. So I just cut out the smaller pieces. And it's not pictures, it's foil sheets. But this is the first step. Also remember, resin is very toxic. Get you some nice gloves, your respirator mask, and you should be good to go. By the way, these bags don't open completely, so I have this little remote control that I have to put at the edge of it. So first thing first, you're gonna lay down a thin layer of resin before you. That's how I do it. You don't have to. You can also layer down the flowers and the vinyls and put the resin on top of it. I've never done it that way, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but this is how I did it. So first thing first, I'm gonna place down the resin foil sheets. Press it down so the bubble can seep up from underneath it and just spread out. And if there's still bubbles in there, just get your lighter to remove it. And next step is to layer in all of the flowers or whatever you want to put in it. Obviously I'm going with some yellow flowers. That's the idea that I had for it, so that's what I'm doing. The first part of this camera angle is bad for this side of the bag, but trust me, if you keep watching, the second side that I'm going to do, you're going to be able to see it better. But all I'm doing is just layering down some flowers. That's it. And after you finish layering down the flowers and everything, you need to let it dry for 24 hours before you can flip it over to the other side to do the exact same thing, basically. So yeah, layering down flowers. This was pretty easy. Dun, dun, dun. I have nothing else to say. I can't add music over this, so. La, 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 la. Make sure you press down on all of the flowers and everything so that it's not just laying on top of the resin, that the resin can cover it up as well. Just remember, you don't want no bubbles. So the first side is dry. I flip it over to the second side. I'm going to do the exact same thing like before. Layering down a thin layer of resin, then putting down the foil sheets. I messed up on this one. It was supposed to be the gold side is supposed to be on the back, and the black side is supposed to be on top. But unfortunately, the resin started to harden after I finished up everything. So the only thing I could do was just remove it out and then place some flowers on top of it. So I was only able to do one of the foil sheets. But it would have looked so cute. It's very interesting. I laid them down right next to each other, and for some reason, I did not even notice that I laid it down wrong. But yeah. Also, there were some bubbles, so I just used my lighter to get rid of them really quickly. And now we're just layering down some more flowers. Maybe I should have just left it the way it was. It would have been cute. One part gold, one part black. I don't know. I think it would look cute together. Maybe next time. It's almost 12 o'clock. It's the first time at this apartment is so quiet. You should be hearing some type of noise. But I'm not going to complain. At least I can finish up this video. Done. Okay, so this is the final part, not doing a voiceover. So let's see how this turned out. I couldn't find a chain that came with it, so it's a different chain from a different bag. But let's remove the plastic. Hold on, let me see if I can do that at a good angle. Pretty. Looks decent. So this part has the plastic, and this part does not. Oh my god, I forgot. I was supposed to add a second layer onto here. Oh. Wait, let's just put on the chain on there just so we can get the full effect. I forgot to add in a second layer of resin to seal everything in. It looks good so far. That's because I'm rushing with this. This is the chain. You just clip it on. And it looks pretty good. I like it. And the chain's so chunky, just brings everything together so freaking perfectly. I should definitely bring this on my trip to Mexico. So cute. I love it. Alright, I added a second layer of resin in there to seal everything else in. I didn't want to be able to touch the flowers when I open up the bag. Add the gorgeous chain. This looks so cute. I'm gonna make another one with the exact same color combination, just a different resin foil sheet. And this is the other side. I think everything turned out perfect. And there's one little bubble right there. Too much flowers. But everything looks gorgeous. I love it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Because I've made a ton of these and I can't wait to show you guys how all of them turned out. Gorgeous.